Welcome to AI Chef, where the future of cooking meets the creativity of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into Sushi Burrito. Sit back, relax, and watch as our AI powered culinary assistant guides you through the process. Let's get cooking. Welcome to our culinary laboratory. Today, we'll embark on a fusion adventure to create a unique sushi burrito. With the help of our AI chef, we'll combine the best of Japanese and Mexican cuisine to create a truly innovative dish. Sushi burritos are a delicious and convenient way to enjoy sushi on the go, and they offer endless possibilities for customization. The foundation of our sushi burrito is the sushi rice. Here's what you need to know. 1. Sushi rice is a short grain rice variety that is sticky when cooked. It's specifically designed for sushi making. 2. Rice vinegar adds acidity and a tangy flavor to the rice, balancing the sweetness and creating that distinctive sushi taste. 3. Sugar balances the acidity of the rice vinegar, creating a harmonious flavor profile. 4. Salt enhances the overall flavor of the rice and helps to bind the ingredients together. 5. The key to good sushi rice is to cook it properly and season it correctly. The rice should be slightly sticky but not mushy. The filling of our sushi burrito is where we'll get creative. Here are some delicious options. Protein: salmon, tuna, shrimp, or tofu. Vegetables: avocado, cucumber, carrots, pickled ginger, or edamame. Sauces: spicy mayo, eel sauce, or sriracha. Other ingredients: wasabi, seaweed salad, or sesame seeds. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different combinations of ingredients to find your favorite sushi burrito. Remember, the key to a great sushi burrito is to choose fresh, high-quality ingredients. The nori seaweed will act as our burrito wrap. Here's how to prepare it. 1. Place a sheet of nori seaweed on a bamboo mat shiny side down. 2. Wet the top half of the nori seaweed with a damp cloth to make it more pliable. Now it's time to assemble our sushi burrito. 1. Place a layer of sushi rice on the bottom half of the nori seaweed, leaving a small gap at the top. 2. Add your desired filling ingredients to the center of the rice. 3. Roll the sushi burrito tightly, using the bamboo mat to help you shape it. 4. Moisten the top edge of the nori seaweed with water to seal the burrito. Be careful not to overfill the burrito, or it will be difficult to roll. It's better to start with a smaller amount of filling and add more if needed. Once your sushi burrito is rolled, it's time to cut and serve it. Here's how. 1. Use a sharp knife to cut the sushi burrito into bite-sized pieces. 2. Serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, such as soy sauce or sweet chili sauce. For a more visually appealing presentation, you can cut the sushi burrito into diagonal slices. Sushi has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. The earliest form of sushi was fermented fish, which was preserved in rice. Over time, the rice became less important and the fish became the focus of the dish. Today, sushi is enjoyed all over the world and is considered a healthy and delicious meal. Burritos have a long history in Mexican cuisine. The term burrito comes from the Spanish word burro, which means donkey. This is because burritos were originally wrapped in donkey skins before they were wrapped in tortillas. Burritos are believed to have originated in northern Mexico, and they have since spread throughout the world. Sushi burritos are a healthy and nutritious meal. They are a good source of protein, carbohydrates, and omega-3 fatty acids. Sushi burritos are also low in calories and fat. When making your sushi burrito, be sure to choose healthy ingredients such as lean protein and fresh vegetables. In this presentation, we've explored the history of sushi and burritos, the science behind making a sushi burrito, and the nutritional benefits of this delicious dish. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test and create your own unique sushi burrito. Happy cooking! And there you have it, a delicious sushi burrito prepared with the help of AI chef. Remember, with AI by your side, anyone can become a culinary master. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more AI-powered cooking inspiration.